Hi, my name is Jamie York. I'm very happy to be back at KIS. I'm an international author and an international school teacher living in Singapore. KIS is actually the first school that I've returned to as a previous visitor. Before COVID, I was here and I was quite impressed with the school atmosphere, the ambiance of the school, the nature of the school. You can tell it's a very caring, welcoming community. So that brought me back for another visit. Over the time that I've been writing, I've written and published 10 picture books and chapter books. And these 10 books illustrate the opportunities and challenges of our international school students. So when children hear my presentations, they can see themselves in my stories, whether it's a story about basketball or Chinese New Year, whatever the international flavor of the story is, they see themselves in the stories. They can connect well to the characters. So that's what really brings my stories to their attention. Kids really love to read about themselves. They feel valued. Their identity of being a third culture kid or an international school student is highlighted in my stories. I like to focus on both the challenges and the opportunities of living in a country that is not your home country for many, or even those that it is their home country, but they're welcoming children from countries all around the world. So that's what truly makes an international school a special place. And my stories complement that quite well by highlighting those opportunities and challenges for international school students. So particularly today, the kids asked a lot of great questions. They were very enthusiastic about hearing my stories. They wanted to tell me about their writing. They all see themselves as future writers. So if there's one thing I did today, I hope that I've given them some motivation to keep writing. And I tell them that every time they pick up a piece of paper, it could be a published work. So they're quite proud of that. And it was a lovely day here back at KIS.